Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus and division. So here we will discuss this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is 6, C is 7 and D is 21. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct? So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says B stand for bracket and P stand for parenthesis. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have basically you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. Here we have two brackets. One is this one, another one is this one. So we have to solve the bracket. Actually, this expression contains the two main brackets which have majority of the signs. So we have to solve those brackets first, and after that we have to divide these two numbers. So first of all, we have to solve the first bracket, which is this one. But inside the bracket, we have two operation division and addition, and further we have exponent part which is 7 raised to power 2. So according to the rule we have to solve first the exponent part. So first of all we have to solve 7 raised to power 2. So we will write like 7 raised to power 2, 35 divided by 7 plus 7 raised to power 2 means 7 multiplied by 7 which is equals to 49 divided by 21 divided by 7 and raised to power 2. Here we write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 7 raised to power 2 equals to 49. Now move forward. Step number basically 3 we will revise because we have the division and multiplication. Now we have solved the exponent part, so now we will solve the division part first before addition, because we cannot add this part because we have to divide first 35 divided by 7. So first we have to write like 35 divided by 7 is equals to 5 plus 49. Now we will write divide, and this part we will write as it is. And we have to give the reference here 35 divided by 7 equals to 5. Now move forward. We have solved divide sign. Now we can add this terms to solve this bracket, which is 5 plus 49. So we will write like 54 here, and divided by, write as it is, and this part becomes like 21, sorry, 21 divided by 7 and raised to power 2 as it is. And we have to give the reference here like 5 plus 49 equals to 54. Now we have solved the one bracket. Now we have to go for bracket number 2. So for bracket number 2, we can solve the bracket first, and after that we can solve the exponent part here. So first of all, we will write 54 divided by, so 21 divided by 7 equals to 3. But we cannot write as it is 3. We have to write like 3 raised to power 2, because we have the um, square power outside the bracket. And here we have to give the reference 21 divided by 7 equals to 3. Okay. Now move forward. We have here two terms. One is like we have the division sign, but we have the power of a number, which is 3 raised to power 2. So first of all, we have to write like 54 divided by 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now we have two terms, which is 54 divided by 9. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 6. So 54 divided by 9 equals to 6. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.